We're at the Devcon5 HTML conference, and I'm going to be talking with you about various cool technologies that we learned about out there in California. First of all, there's node.js, which has started to be used by big companies like LinkedIn and Microsoft and eBay. And the reason they're using node.js is it's extremely fast, especially for I/O-bound processes. So if you have a lot of database hits or things of that nature, you're going to find vast speed improvements by switching to Node. It's also written entirely in JavaScript, so if you have a lot of JavaScript developers, they can write in the same language on the front and the back end. So definitely check out node.js. It's becoming very popular, and there's a new package manager called Node Package Manager that makes it very easy to use. And yeah, so there's also some mobile frameworks that are coming out that let you write in essentially mobile apps, except in a web browser, to be used on the phone's web browser, so you don't actually have to write in Objective-C or Java or maintain multiple code bases to get a mobile app out there. You can use your web developers to write it all in HTML5 and JavaScript. Actually, here at Apperian, we've used jQuery Mobile to release our latest HTML5 app catalog. Very good. Another cool one I've been looking at is called Sencha Touch, by the guy named David Canada, who made the Touch framework, so that's very high quality. You should check that out. Basically, the goal would be to replace native apps entirely, and we're getting closer and closer to that point where you can write pure JavaScript and HTML and make a full-featured, smooth, quality mobile application. So you should definitely look into those. And some other technologies you should look into are WebGL, which lets you do 3D applications within a web browser using the canvas tag. That's definitely going to become more popular. WebCL, which lets you do parallel processing within a web browser. Canvas Element, which we already talked about, lets you draw 2D or 3D images within a web browser. HTML5 audio and video. Using those, you can replace Flash and any WebKit-based browser, or any browser that supports HTML5 standards will be able to play it. And the end result of all these technologies is that the browser is going to become the operating system of choice, and you're going to start programming entirely for the web browser in the near future. So good luck.